Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create fully customized, high-quality music on your phone using an app called Vidnoz AI Music. And the best part? You can generate unlimited tracks across 13+ genres, choose from 25+ styles, and the music is copyright-free and safe for commercial use. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, background music, or even making money selling beats. No complicated software, no credit limits, just one app, one tap, and boom, your own music. Let's jump right in. Go to the App Store and search for Vidnoz AI Music. Click on Get to download it. Log in if you already have an account. Otherwise, click on Sign Up and choose any of the available methods to sign up. You will see this success message when you are done. Now, click Continue. This is how simple and user-friendly the interface looks. There are three main ways of generating music: using a text prompt, using your own lyrics, and using an image. Click on Explore Downloads here to browse the amazing stuff other creators have generated. And you would find a lot of amazing stuffs over there. Click on My Gallery to view what you have created or generated yourself. Now let's start generating a song using any prompt you have in mind. You can click on Inspire Me for Vidnoz AI to automatically give you a prompt. You can also select this if you need just instrumentals. Let's type something like, "A sad, broken heart message from a mother." Choose the genre that you want. Also, go on to choose the style for the music. It could be one or more styles depending on what you prefer. Now select the voice for your music, whether male or female, but you can leave it at random if you don't know which one to pick. When you are done with everything, click on Generate. This will take less than 1 minute to generate a perfect song for you. Just be patient and wait for the wonderful tunes. Let's play the result to hear how it sounds.
In the quiet of a night, I hear her voice, a message that's so heavy, it breaks my soul. She speaks of things we both know, of love and loss in this endless flow. Words like sad, broken heart, echo in the darkness, where the shadows start.
If you like the result, click on the 3 dots to download it, or set it as a ringtone. The second method to generate music is by using your own lyrics. Let's quickly go to ChatGPT to generate a full lyric. We can try something like, "I need a celebration song lyric." ChatGPT will generate it for us. Copy the lyrics and go back to Vidnoz. Then paste it. Now choose your genre, style, and voice, and click on Generate. Let's listen to the result.
And time to celebrate. Oh, upbeat up-tempo, hands in the air. We've made it here, smile shining bright.
The final method is my favorite. This allows you to generate music from an image. Click on the blank space to upload your image from your gallery. Once again, choose your preferred genre, style, and voice, then hit Generate when you are done.
And the night rain falls like whispers. Old car park, headlights lights pierce the storm.
Amazingly, this AI has taken inspiration from the image to create a song that matches it. You can download all the music you generate to your local storage and listen anytime you want. And that's how you create unlimited AI music right from your phone using the Vidnoz AI Music App. Let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most: text, lyrics, or photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who creates content or loves music. I'll drop the download link in the description along with Vidnoz YouTube channel. Go try it out and tag me in what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.